How to log out Webull account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of Webull account. Webull Corporation is an electronic trading platform accessible via mobile app and desktop computer, offering commission-free and low-cost trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, margins, fixed income, and futures. If you want to log out of your Webull account, then the process is very simple. All you have to do is click on your profile icon. Here you will find different options. Simply go ahead and click on the log out option. As soon as you do that, you will be successfully logged out of your Webull account. If you want to log in, you can simply click on the login option on the home page. Then you can log in using your phone number. Simply enter your phone number and enter your password, and then click on the login option, or you can also click on the email option, enter your email and password and click on the login option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.